Here you go, Wanda. So, what's the plan?
I thought you guys could check out the doorbell while I keep a lookout for Miss Frizzle. Hit it, Liz! Hey! Not the light bulb, Liz. We need to check out the doorbell.
Light bulb from the inside out before.
What's it like?
It's really cool.
Correction, it's really hot. Let's get out of here.
Wait! Can you get inside the wire like Ms. Frizzle said? If we find out what makes the light bulb light up, maybe we can figure out the doorbell.
Now that's a bright idea.
Amazing! They're inside the wire.
Liz, is that you? What are you doing? Oh, that's a good one. What are you doing? Oh, I do love electric jokes, especially if they're shocking.
Hey, you guys. What's happening inside that wire?
It's really cool, Wanda.
The inside of the wire is filled with electric charges, and they're moving. It's like a river. And we're getting swept downstream.
Right. It's as if we're being carried along by a current. That must be what they mean by electric current.
Whoa! Where are we going?
Wherever those charges go!
It's getting really crowded in here. And hot. I'll bet we're inside that skinny wire in the bulb.
According to my research, this skinny hot wire we're in is the filament. It's what makes the light bulb glow.
Look, it's so narrow. The charges are rubbing and squeezing to get through. Electric charges on the move.
Don't worry, you're traveling through the wire from the bulb to the battery. Wow, we must have been pulled in by those red charges behind us. Opposites attract, remember?
But now we're being pulled along with all the blue charges.
Whoa! Now you're out of the battery and heading down the other wire back to the light bulb.
Oh no, here we go again.
According to my research, which is very hard to do when going around like this, the circular path we're caught in is called an electrical circuit.
I get it.
That's it! The light bulb works because a battery makes the electrical charges move through a wire to the light bulb. To the wire again, back to the battery, around and around. And the moving charges heat up the filament in the bulb as they go past.
Oh, sweet mysteries of life.
Wanda, what's the matter?
Shh! It's Miss Frizzle.
If there's no flow, it's no go. And if it's no go, then there's no glow.
Oh, poor Miss Frizzle. This is worse than I thought. Miss Frizzle's gone out to the garage. It looks like she's decorating the whole place with heart-shaped lights.
Wanda, help! Oh, here we go again.
We can't stop going around and around this circuit.
I think I'm gonna be sick.
Not as sick as Miss Frizzle will be if we don't fix the doorbell. Only she'll be lovesick. Oops.
What happened? We've stopped moving.
Everything stopped moving.
The electric charges aren't going anywhere.
It's like Miss Frizzle said. If there's no flow, it's no go. And if it's no go, then there's no glow. But if I complete the path of the wire again...
Whoa! We're moving!
Break the path again. You stop. Get it?
We stop!
Flow. No flow. Flow. No flow.
We got it, Wanda! We got it!
It's like traffic going over a drawbridge. When the drawbridge goes up, the traffic stops. And when it goes down and completes the path, the traffic can move again.
But Wanda, if we don't move out of here, Miss Frizzle Frizzle's big connection will come and try to ring our bell. You're right. But through no fault of her own, the bell won't work. So she won't know he's there.
He'll think she's not answering on purpose. That she doesn't love him anymore. And then he'll leave.
Miss Frizzle's happiness will be ruined forever.
Liz, you've got to get out of there.
We've got to fix that doorbell. So here's the battery that makes the electric charges move to the doorbell. And here is the path they move along.
Wanda, is the doorbell switch still in the on position so the charges can flow?
Good question, Tim. I'll go check. Bell switch on.
Okay. From what we can see, the wire runs from the side of the battery to the on-off switch.
Then it connects up with the motor that makes the hammer hit the bell and runs back to the battery to complete the circuit. So it should work.
But it doesn't. Since the bell isn't going, the charges must not be flowing.
There must be a break in the path somewhere. And if there is, you'll find it, right?
Right!
Just as we thought. None of these charges are moving.
It's just like it was in the light bulb when Wanda stopped the flow.
It's no use, Liz. Those charges aren't going anywhere. There must be a break in the path somewhere. And it's up to you to find out where it is.
You got it, Juan. We're heading out on foot.
You better hurry, or Miss Frizzle and her Valentine will pass like opposite charges in a battery.
Did you find anything yet?
Man, it's like a traffic jam in here.
Nothing is moving. These charges are stuck. Wait, I think I see something.
Come on, everyone. Let's make like electricity and charge. We're almost there.
Wow. I guess we found the problem.
The wire is broken. You said it. And it's a long way down.
Rowdy!
What happened? What's going on?
We found the break in the wire.
Some charges are red, others are blue. Hook up the wires and light will come through. It won't be long now. It won't be long now. Oh, that's better. Positively electrifying.
Phew, that was close.
Too close.
You guys all right in there?
We are now.
Where's the break? Maybe I can fix it from out here.
It's between the motor and the battery.
Between the motor and the battery. The switch is off to be on the safe side. Now, the wire goes from the switch to the motor, and then from the motor to the break right here.
That's it, Wanda.
All right, Wanda! You found us!
The electric charges need a way across. Can you build us a bridge?
I could if I had some wire or something else metal. Wait a second. Yes! May I have one of those? Thank you. I found some tinfoil.
Where?
On the chocolates. I'm going to try to wrap it around the wires. I hope this connection works.
It looks good from here.
It better, or this love story's gonna have an unhappy ending.
Everyone back in the bus?
Ready.
Here we go! Path complete! We